Hi guys, once again my name is Noriel and I welcome you to my channel, the I Am a Super User. And for today's video, we're going to create a bootable USB installer using DiskPart. So the majority of the test the assessment centers for CSS NC2 do not allow the use of any third-party software like Rufus to create a bootable USB. Instead, they require the use of a command line disk partitioning utility like DiskPart. So let's get started. So first you need to insert your USB flash drive, and that USB flash drive must be at least 4 gig capacity, and I have mine here, the 28 gigs. So open your command prompt as administrator and then type in DiskPart to open the disk partitioning utility, and then type in list disk to show all the disks connected to your computer, and then take note of the disk number of your USB flash drive. So in this example I have disk 1 as my USB flash drive, and this one disk 0 should be my laptop's hard drive. So select disk 1 to select your USB flash drive, and then type in clean to delete all the data from the USB drive. And then we need to create a partition. So type in create partition primary. So this will create a partition for us. And then we need to select the partition that we just created. So type in select partition 1, then mark it as active. So now we need to format the partition or our USB flash drive. So just type in format fs equals ntfs quick to quickly reformat our USB flash drive. So just wait. Okay, so it's done. Now last thing that we need to do, let's assign a drive letter on our USB flash drive. So right now it's drive X, so let's assign letter equals N. So right now as you can see, we have our USB flash drive here as drive N, and it's empty. And that's it. So that's all the commands that you need. And right now we have our USB flash drive ready, but we're not done yet. So we need to copy the installer files to our USB flash drive to create a Windows 7 USB installer. So just locate your Windows 7 installer. So I have here mine. Just open it, and then you just need to simply copy all of the files, all of the installer files, copy it to your USB flash drive. So we're done. Now we have our bootable USB installer of Windows 7. So now that we have our bootable USB installer, let's proceed to the next part, how to install Windows 7 using bootable USB.